Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you how to limit charging to save battery on this laptop. To do that, we'll have to open BIOS settings. So turn off your PC by selecting power options and clicking shutdown. Then power your PC on and start clicking F2 button until the BIOS menu appears on your screen. Here you can navigate using your touchpad, so open the power menu on the left side of the BIOS menu. Now in the power section, select custom battery configuration, and here you can set the battery charge start value and charge stop. So the start value will determine at which battery level your laptop will start charging, and the stop level will determine the battery level at which your laptop will stop charging. To change the values, you can click these two up and down icons next to each value. And that's how you do it. Now, to save changes, you have to press escape and then select yes option and restart your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.